Welcome to part 3 of our final episode of our Exmouth edition. It has been an unbelievable 3 days here in Exmouth. We start this one with a little bit of fishing, we have another visit from a whale shark, and finish off the trip with a snorkeling part of our world famous Ningaloo Reef. Enjoy. Good morning. Day 3. Welcome to another episode of the Exmouth edition, part 3. Oh, the old body has woken up quite sore after yesterday and the day before. Oh, just pulling in fish from 110 metres is quite the challenge. I've had a couple of Nurofen to try and settle the old aches and pains down. I've just got to Riseys. We'll get the boat ready. We're only going to do about half a day today. We'll hopefully get some snorkeling in later and hopefully show you under the water as well. All depends on the weather, of course. So at the moment it's looking pretty damn good and it's forecast to be really good today. So fingers crossed we get fish and then we get some snorkeling in later. Stay tuned, we'll be back in there.
Hey, better jump. It's on the front.
Magic day. Look at that. Yeah. What's the plans for today?
Oh, we've had a good 2 days, so we're just going to rip straight out to our gold band spot. We went yesterday because it's good weather. Give that a bash for 2 hours, and if that goes to shit, we'll go for a bit of a trawl.
Try and get
worst case, if you can't get any dollies or mackies, we're just going to come back in and go for a dive because we can. Baby Spanger. Red throat. Oh, they're all right. Yeah, you can keep them.
Woo, little red throat. Needs a 5-star eating, so we are keeping this guy. He's 33 centimetres. Only has to be 280, so dinner.
Cartwheel up.
What a surprise, Jason caught a Robbo again.
Yo, BLT. Nice, man.
Alrighty, after a little mishap, I don't know what happened there.
Hey,
Literally, we've got a gold band snapper on board. Phew! Yeah, I don't know what happened there. The line snapped. I was on the bottom, my line snapped about 3 metres from the tip, so must have been a little bit of a nick in the line or something, I'm not sure. Fishing 50-pound braid, so I shouldn't just snap like that, but there was obviously something, I must have nicked it somewhere. Yeah, alright, back into it, let's go. We must be blessed or something with the whale sharks, because we had what, 1 or 2?
We had 2, manta ray.
Manta ray.
Probably a 6-metre whale shark.
So Risey stuck the drone up, we'll show you that footage. We first seen a massive manta ray, but by the time Risey got the drone up, it had disappeared, and this guy was cruising around us instead. They really are just the most majestic animal in the ocean. Wind's sort of just holding off. We might do a bit of trawling in a sec. That was good for the camera. And then yeah, we're going to cruise back in half day. There's so many of these little bust ups everywhere, but we're just hoping that there's something else that's bigger. Chase them as well, but no luck so far. Started doing some trawling and we got a hit straight away on Jason's rig.
And then we got a tap just on mine before, so fingers crossed the Surfers Action is going to play the game today. Nice Mackie or a dolly will be.
Yeah, you see it up the water there? Two.
Had 4 hits but no takes. We'll get there. Woo!
All good?
Is that your first tuna?
Yeah, you betcha. No, mate. Wow, they really kick.
There's a ball of muscle, eh? Little torpedo.
Yeah.
Okay, it's almost at the end of the fishing trip. Just putting the lures out the back just for a bit more control, and well, hopefully, if miracles happen, we catch a Mackie before we go in. We just got a nice little tuna. Andy got a nice little tuna. Yeah, and then we head back in, go for a snorkel and for a swim. Got him for a sec.
Oh, yeah! Oh. No.
Just wasn't our trip for the pelagic species, apart from a few skipjack tunas. So we headed back in and dropped off Andy at the boat ramp. We picked up the rest of the gang at the same time to go for a snorkel in part of the world famous Ningaloo Reef.
Alrighty guys, we are anchored up inshore now. Hey! We're done with fishing. We only got a couple of small fish. It was a very, very slow day on the fishing front, but that's alright. The last couple of days have been awesome before today. So, we're going to jump in the drink and show you what Ningaloo Reef's all about with the reef and all the fish, and it's just a massive aquarium in there. So I'll snorkel up and jump in and show you what it's all about. Alrighty guys, we'll make that the end of this episode. 3 days of just, I'm gonna say fishing action. The first 2 days were just crazy with fish. Today was a little bit slow, but we went and snorkeled and it was just an awesome little snorkeling spot. That's the end of Exmouth for this trip. Like, subscribe if you haven't already done that, and that's goodbye from me and Jason, and we'll see you again very shortly. Cheers.
G'day guys. New to Blissneaks, we have our t-shirts available from medium to extra large. These are screen printed to last longer and are super comfortable. If you'd like to support our channel, hit us up on Instagram, Blissneaks, $45 plus postage. Cheers.